To access your Google Wallet, you'll first need to install the Google Wallet app on your device. But you must meet certain requirements. If you have an Android device, it should be running Android 9 or higher, have a personal active Google profile, and have up-to-date Google Play services. To get the app, go to the Google Play Store, search for Google Wallet, and tap the Install button. Once installed, tap the Open button to launch the app. Then add your debit or credit card. If your device has NFC and meets the necessary software standards, you can also add a contactless payment feature. You can store sensitive items like card numbers, IDs, transit passes, or driver's license information by tapping the Add option. For added security, set the app with a lock screen. After completing these steps, you can access your Google Wallet app directly from your home screen. Overall, accessing your Google Wallet is a straightforward process.